Namaste, I'm Namratha, and today here I was in DRS International School. I would really appreciate the faculty and the management to have us here to conduct this program called Siddheshwar, the Power of Soul, where we can uplift and channelize the energy of the students. Today's time, they go through so much of stress, tension, there is a lack of focus and concentration, and being here in the campus with the students and seeing a shift in the session, doing the techniques with them, and the shift that I saw when we initially began the session and eventually when they were experiencing the journey. So that we can make a difference to the youth, because they are the ones who need that kind of confidence, the power, the self-belief in them. So thank you once again to the DRS International entire